Hello all. Today I will be showing you an introduction to PearDeck. PearDeck works very well with Google Slides. You can use it to create your own PearDeck, or you can choose from some pre-cultivated slides from PearDeck's content orchard. Today we will be doing a demo of a pre-made PearDeck slide. Go to PearDeck.com and log in with your Google account. On the left-hand side of the home page, select Content Orchard to preview pre-made slides. You can search for slides by content and grade, and you can even filter your search to match your preferred subject and grade level to find the perfect slideshow for your class. Today, I am looking for slides for my career readiness class. I am going to filter my search by grade level. I will search for career readiness and select a slide that I think may best suit my class. You can preview the slides once you select one of them. If you think a slideshow works, hit Copy to Drive once you select it. Once you hit Copy to Drive, it will ask you to make a copy. Go ahead and make that copy. This will then open up your Google Slides. This will allow you to edit the slideshow exactly how you see fit to best suit your class. Once you are done making edits, go to the Extensions tab under the title of your slideshow on Google Slides. In the Extensions tab, select Get Add-ons. Search for PearDeck, then install PearDeck. Once you hit Install PearDeck, it will ask you to allow PearDeck to access your Google Slides. So once you allow PearDeck to access Google Slides, you can then use PearDeck to add those PearDeck slides to your slideshow. These PearDeck slides are slides that your students are interacting with. I will talk more about that in a little bit. I already have PearDeck installed, so I did not have to install. But once you install the PearDeck extension, you go back to Extensions on Google Slides and select PearDeck from the PearDeck Google Slides add-on. From here, you can add PearDeck slides to your slideshow. A PearDeck slide is a slide students can edit, draw on, type responses, participate in polls, and more. Students must have their Chromebooks open to use PearDeck. It is very easy for them to access your PearDeck once it is made. Using the PearDeck extension on the right side of my screen, I'm currently creating a poll on this selected intro slide. I selected poll under where it says Make Lesson Interactive on that PearDeck extension, again right on the right side of my screen here. Now that my poll is created, you can see the little PearDeck icon on the bottom of the slide. This tells me students can interact with this slide. Ready? Great. Once class is in session, Make sure each student has their Chromebook. Then go ahead and press Start PearDeck. Select Instructor Paste Activity. This way you can present the PearDeck and have a copy of the slides open on your computer. PearDeck will then generate a code. Students will go to joinpd.com on their Chromebook and copy or type the code in, just as I'm doing on this new tab. Pretend this next tab is what your students see on their Chromebooks. On your computer, select Start Class once all students are in. Back to the Student tab. Students will interact with this first slide by answering the poll. On your screen, you can see the number of responses. Press Show Responses to display student answers to the class. As you move through the slides, the students will go through the slides with you. PearDeck automatically locks students on the slide you are currently on. Here is another example of an interactive slide. This is a view from the student screen. Students can draw, type, make lines, undo, and erase by selecting the options here under the slide. They can use their mouse or trackpad to directly interact with the slide as I am demonstrating here. Once students are done responding, I'm going back to the teacher view here. This will show you how to lock the screen. Press lock screen here on the bottom. This will prevent students from interacting with the slide. Now on the teacher view here, I press show responses to see students' interactions. If I had more students, I can scroll through all of their responses. PearDeck is great because it personalizes learning for students by directly allowing them to participate in a slideshow without requiring them to raise their hand and share out loud. It can let you know if students are understanding the content based on their responses in the slideshow. When you are done with the session, press End on the bottom right here. Name your session, then press Save and End Session. After the PearDeck session, you can review student responses for assessment data. They will all save. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this demo. Please comment if you have any questions. Thank you.